Viewer discretion advised. This video may contain strong language or distressing content. This upload is intended for educational and documentary purposes under applicable public records law and fair use guidelines. In this video, you'll watch a Palm Beach County Sheriff's deputy conduct what appears to be a routine traffic stop for an alleged handheld device violation. But what begins as an ordinary traffic stop quickly turns into a nationally debated encounter after the body cam footage is posted online. Watch the full interaction and let us know in the comments whether you think the deputy handled the situation appropriately.
Hello, ma'am. Hey, good morning. I'm Deputy Gonzalez with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. This is why you're being pulled over in the city of Lake Worth. Today we're doing an operation for distracted driver, and you drove past me holding the phone with your right hand, manipulating that phone. I saw you with your phone in your hand.
Obviously not. So you want to just call this a day? Or?
I don't want to call it a day. You had a hand up manipulating the phone.
You just said my right hand.
Well, I thought I saw you with your right hand. You had a hand up. The right hand. I saw you manipulate.
So you didn't.
With the right hand, perhaps not, right? But I saw you
didn't see me with my right hand.
So are you
saying that you saw me with my right hand?
I know what I just said. I know what I just said. I'm asking you now. Did you or not have your phone on your hand?
I did not.
You did not have your phone in your hand?
I did not.
Hand to God, you didn't have your phone in your hand?
Hand to God.
The other hand to God, you don't have your phone in your hand?
Hand to God.
Cool. You have your driver's license, registration, and insurance with you?
I think this is the current one. They're all in the same pile, so if it's not, I can find you this. And you need insurance too?
Just to get insurance. Who's
There's a cover page for it. I'm trying to find you the card portion.
no address for you?
Yes.
Alright, hang tight for me.
In an Uber and feel like their driver was intoxicated.
Cybersecurity must visit shops, and how healthcare offices become the data managing caregivers that we all depend on. Business is powering the engine of modern business.
Alright, man. So you're gonna receive a citation for wireless communication device handheld while driving. We got to put the phone down as we operate a motor vehicle.
Oh, and you put on there that you saw me with my right hand holding it. Yeah?
I did not put that. No, if you want to take it to court.
But that's what you said when you pulled me over. Yes,
that's what I said.
That you saw me holding my device with my right hand.
I'm not disagreeing with you. Yes, that's what I said.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. So if you want to take it to court.
And that's what you saw.
That's what I said.
That's
yes.
what you said you saw.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to take it to court, option 5 on the back of the ticket. That's how you take that ticket to court. Do you have any questions for me?
No. Thank you.
Have a good day.
After this traffic stop, Kathleen Thomas posted the body cam footage online, and it quickly spread across social media, generating millions of views and sparking a nationwide discussion. Many viewers question why the deputy continued writing a citation after repeatedly stating Kathleen was holding a handheld device in her right hand, despite the fact that Kathleen does not have a right hand. As public attention grew, the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office reviewed the case. Before Kathleen ever had to appear in court, the Sheriff's Office requested that the citation be dismissed, Court records show the ticket was dismissed due to insufficient evidence, and the sheriff's office later stated that, after reviewing the applicable laws and the circumstances of the stop, there was a lack of clarity in how the violation was classified in their citation system. One thing that stood out after the incident was Kathleen's own response. Rather than attacking the deputy personally, she said she did not believe he acted out of malice. Instead, she expressed hope that officers receive better training when interacting with people who have limb differences. She also said she wished the deputy had simply explained his reasoning and handled the encounter differently. Despite everything that happened, Kathleen chose to focus on improving future interactions rather than placing blame. I also could not find any public statement indicating that the deputy ever apologized to Kathleen after the citation was dismissed. Now, we'd like to hear from you. After watching the complete body cam footage, do you think the officer was wrong to issue the citation? Once he realized Kathleen did not have a right hand, should he have apologized and ended the stop without issuing a ticket? Or do you believe he made the right decision based on what he believed he observed? And what are your thoughts on how Kathleen handled her interaction with the officer? Do you think you would have remained as calm as she did throughout the stop? How do you think you would have handled the situation if you were in her shoes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We read every comment, and respectful discussions are always welcome. And as always, everyone featured in this video is presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. Law enforcement officers are also entitled to due process, and the events discussed are based on publicly available records and body-worn camera footage. And finally, a sincere thank you to the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office for their transparency in fulfilling our public records request and making this footage available to the public. If you like this video, support the channel by hitting like, tapping, subscribe, and sharing this video. Real incidents, real officers, real patrol footage.